All right. The next one, write a program that tells you if a number is odd or even. So, even numbers are divided by 2, odd numbers are not. Okay, let's just see. Input for number. Check if the number is... Check if the remainder of the number is 0. Print even. If not, print odd. And the end, right? Okay, this translates in code like integer, right? So we have this number, we have the input. Wait, so we have the int input. If number let me see if I make a variable with the name rest. Let's just say rest. And I say here number reminder of if number reminder 0, print even. Else print odd. Let me see. If the number reminder if I know to solve this, but if we have to check the reminder of the input. Okay, let me see. Zero division error. So integer division or modulo by 0. I know that it's something that I don't write like as it should. That's it. Because I know to solve it. In my head I know to solve it, but it seems that I have the problem in writing it, like to express to tell the computer. So the reminder of number, I have to check it if it's 0. That's basically it. How can I express that? Okay, I did it. Okay, that was the problem. I was having a bit of difficulty here remembering the how actually do I write this. But it was, let's correct this. If the number reminder 2 will equal 0, now everything is all right. Yeah, that's it. Great. Another one. It's complete, man. We advance like crazy. Great.